Welcome to the second episode from Dubai, where we are visiting the Sky Observatory deck to look at the beautiful views of Burj Khalifa. So, the Sky Observatory deck is in Hotel Address, which you can walk easily from Dubai Metro.
So, how do
We
you feel?
are going inside Sky View Observatory in Hotel Address, and I feel great to be here. It is an address hotel and the view is really nice. From Burj Khalifa you see everything in Dubai city, and from Sky Observatory you see Burj Khalifa. The view is incredible. The moment we entered, we were stunned to see the view. It was looking so gorgeous. The city was glowing in bright sunlight, and look at Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building. It was such incredible. But the view is not only at eye level. You can look below, walk on the glass, and this experience will definitely give you some adrenaline rush. This place is open from 10 a.m. in the morning till 10 p.m., and the experience would be wonderful, but expect it to be a bit crowded. We definitely spent a lot of time here. We admired the view of towering skyscrapers, iconic landmarks, and urban life from bird view angle. Not only walking on the glass, you can also walk on the edge without any glass support behind you. But for this activity, you need to pay additional cost. The price is also not much. It is 1800 Indian currency, and you also get a glass slide free. But if you are doing the edge walk, you have to pay 500 dirham for it, which we didn't. But if you want to experience that from the top, you can surely do that. So, how was Sky Observatory Deck?
Observatory was nice, but yeah. So again, like you've seen skyscrapers all around.
But
Yes,
the best
the
part
best
is
part
like
is
you can see Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. The view is very good. You just sit there, you just find skyscrapers all around. You just see a glass walking pathway where people are like almost
Lying.
down to just take a click. We'll
Yeah.
see a place where every adult is basically going through a slip.
Yes, so that's it from Sky Observatory. We are heading towards Dubai Mall now and we'll be spending some time there. Mostly we have spent our day in Burj Khalifa and Address Hotel. I think we are planning to catch the Dubai fountain. Let's see if we can do it or not. After spending the whole day at Burj Khalifa and Address Hotel, we entered Dubai Mall, and while entering, we saw a beautiful skyline. It was time for sunset. The moment we entered, Shiladitya was craving for some Turkish ice cream, and he had to experience this. After relishing the delicious pistachio Turkish ice cream, it was time for us to do some shopping. Dubai Mall is huge, one of the largest malls in the world, and you definitely can get lost. But there's a map every corner to guide you. And the first thing we searched on the map was the showroom for Nike. You want you want this gold shoe?
I can wear it.
Couldn't stop myself looking at the wonderful shoes collection. So I had to get one Air Jordan for me. Not to mention, this was the biggest Nike showroom I've ever seen. The chocolates definitely was mouth melting. What? A mobile cover made of gold. My god, this was the first time we saw this. And we are in Dubai Mall, and the mall is super huge. Luxury outlets were all around, but what caught my eyes is this Lego outlet. Look at the collection. Even Burj Khalifa was made of Lego. We spent a good time at the Dubai Mall and even had some dinner. Whole city glowing. This moment was again so picture perfect. I couldn't stop but look at the view. And then what? We enjoyed the iconic musical fountain, and this was free. Finally, a free thing to enjoy in Dubai. If you want, you can also pay and stand on the bridge to get lesser crowd and a better view, or enjoy a boat ride with the view. The show comes to life every 30 minutes from 7:45 onwards to 10:45 pm. And with this, we had a wonderful day in the heart of Dubai, and this was just our first day. We were ready for more adventure. So stay tuned and see you guys from the next episode. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share.